In the next 2 minutes, we'll show you what the installation of CyberTrap in the cloud or on-premise looks like. Well implemented, you'll have a 90% plus security and benefit from CyberTrap deception. What you see here is a picture of a simple network, consisting of endpoints, servers, desktops and laptops, and a firewall. Now CyberTrap hits the stage and adds a few decoy systems. These can be virtual or physical systems, equipped with Windows or Linux, enhanced by a monitoring component. Then there is the CyberTrap front end, which enables us to configure the decoys and set up the deception services. Just with a few clicks, even a database management system is installed, configured and started, as well as file sharing, remote access, web logins and more. Logs can also be created there, and will fully automatically be copied to the endpoints, using a software distribution system. Cloud first. Let's start with the installation of CyberTrap in the cloud. An environment is created in the cloud in which the decoys are installed. A VPN tunnel is needed to establish the connection into your network. Should you prefer not to operate the deception environment yourself, we can offer our managed service. Installation, operation and analysis in case of an indicator of compromise is done for you by our specialists. And here you can see the on-premise version. All decoys are in place and active. It is important to remember that CyberTrap is agentless, so no software is installed on the endpoints, which makes it invisible to attackers. To sum up, our deception technology can be deployed in the cloud or on-premise. CyberTrap detects attacks automatically and correlate events that at first glance appear to be unrelated. As a result, both the response time and the number of time-consuming false alarms are reduced significantly, thus decreasing the workload faced by the responsible IT security staff in the company. Are you curious to find out more about CyberTrap or cyber deception? Then take a look at our YouTube channel where we give insights into the topic. You can also visit our website at cybertrap.com or book a demo. Thank you for watching.